Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards. Describe a time when missed or were late for an important meeting/event. You should say, when it happened, what happened, why you missed/were late for it, and explain how you felt about this experience. One instance that stands out in my memory is when I was late for a significant occasion, a job interview for which I had spent weeks preparing. I had been looking forward to this chance for a year or so, because it was at a company I had always loved. I had carefully prepared everything the night before to make sure I would appear on time for the interview, which was set for 10 a.m. But even though I was prepared, I was late due to unanticipated events, which was embarrassing and annoying. I left my house well in advance of the interview day, allowing myself an hour for the typically 30-minute drive. Unfortunately, I ran into an unforeseen traffic block halfway to the destination because of an accident on the main route. As the interview time drew nearer, I began to fear, since the cars were hardly moving at all. I attempted to remain composed in the hopes that the traffic would soon clear, but it didn't. After a while, I understood that staying in the taxi would not bring me there on time, so I got out and used the subway. I saved some time by using the metro, but by the time I got to the office, I was still approximately 15 minutes late. I quickly apologized and gave the receptionist the rundown. I was fortunate that the interviewers were accommodating and let me continue, but I could tell that being late had not gone well. Throughout the conversation, I felt hurried and nervous, which had an impact on my performance and confidence. Although I couldn't completely control why I was late, I now see that I should have taken more preventative measures, such as researching traffic updates beforehand or selecting another form of transportation. It's frustrating to miss or arrive late for a job interview, and this experience made me realize how important it is to account for unforeseen delays. After that, I had a range of feelings, including disappointment in myself for being late, annoyance at the situation, and remorse for not being able to show my best self. Even though I didn't receive the job, I learned a lot from the experience. Since then, I've been more cautious about scheduling my commute and leaving sooner than I believe is required for significant occasions. This experience continues to be a pivotal teaching moment in my life, serving as a reminder that being on time is not the only aspect of being punctual, it also involves demonstrating commitment and respect. For watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.